Racing as expected, we have My Sweet Leonora. First to show quickness at the start, moving up My Paho is special. Aras comes next and on the outside, Semper Fidelis. While Gintong Gantimpala is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have My Paho is special by a length. And in second is My Sweet Leonora. Moving up now on the outside is Aras. Semper Fidelis is racing in fourth. Then comes Gintong Gantimpala. Half mile distance they traveled. We have My Paho is special by about half length. Moving up now down on the inside is My Sweet Leonora. And on the outside Aras. Then comes Gintong Gantimpala while Semper Fidelis now racing in length. Then at the far turn we have My Sweet Leonora. Now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Moving up now on the outside is Gintong Gantimpala. Aras in the middle. Down on the inside is My Paho is special. Then comes Semper Fidelis as they swing for home. We have My Sweet Leonora by our head. And on the outside now is Gintong Gantimpala. Last 100 meters we have My Sweet Leonora by our length, followed by Gintong Gantimpala. And finally it's My Sweet Leonora. Gintong Gantimpala. Aras My Paho is special in Semper Fidelis.
1-5.
1-2 choices mo yan.